Hey, so at soundrolling.com, we have a boom pole perceived weight calculator. And what this basically means is you're obviously holding a boom pole, but depending on where your fulcrum point is, which is the distance from the end of the boom pole to where you put your hands down, it's going to perceive to be heavier. So imagine if you had a microphone that weighed 800 grams because you had a blimp and wind protection and all that kind of stuff, and then your actual boom pole itself was 500 grams. And the total length, let's make the total length, let's say you're going out 3 meters, and we're going to be holding it in about 1 meter. So that means that our hand furthest in is about a third of the way. Then that means the actual perceived weight, or the feeling of it, is like you're holding 3 kilograms instead of 1.5. And so it basically feels 2 times its actual weight. The total weight there you can see is 1.3. And so this means, this gives you a nice little breakdown. And we've got some further ones that you can kind of choose from with different levels. So like long and heavy. So a boom pole that weighs around 2 kilograms is nearly 2.2 times heavier, which is quite crazy. So this gives you a sense of, like, if you're choosing between boom poles and blimps and things like that, you can see basically how heavy how heavy your current pole is and setup, and then see if you can make it slimmer, because then that means you can boom for longer.